Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of the Malaysian style peanut sauce. To begin with, let me show you the ingredients required. Dry chili, garlic, onion, lemongrass, galangal, asam keping, or if you don't have asam keping, you can use a tamarind pulp as a substitute, palm sugar, salt, and the peanuts. Soak the dry chili in hot water for at least 10 minutes. Drain away the water. Cut them into large sections. Cut the lemongrass into small sections. Remove the skin of the galangal and cut it into small pieces too. This is the block of palm sugar. Use a knife to shape the amount that you want. Peel the garlic and cut the onions into large chunks. Get ready the food processor. Add all the ingredients for the chili paste into the food processor. And add some vegetable oil so that it is easy to blend. Blend for a few minutes because the galangal and dry chili are both quite hot. Make sure it becomes a smooth paste. Toast the peanut with a little bit of oil. Toast it over low heat. Once the peanuts are roasted, the color has changed a little bit, remove from heat and let it cool down. Next, remove the skin or the seed coat of the peanuts. Use 2 clean hands to rub the peanuts and the skin will detach. You do not have to remove all because the skin doesn't really affect the taste too much. In fact, many people do not really mind the skin inside the sauce. But to remove part of it definitely will make your sauce more elegant. Put the peanuts into the food processor to crush the peanuts. How fine you want to crush it really depends on your preference. But it is good not to blend it to become a paste because the chunks give you a nice texture. Put the chili paste into a pan or a wok and saute it until it turns aromatic. Once the chili paste turns aromatic and the oil separated from the paste and the color turns a little bit darker, the chili paste is now ready. Add some water to the chili paste. Add the seasonings, the salt, a piece of asam keping, and the palm sugar. I'll just put part of it first so that I'll make sure that it's not going to be too sweet. Once it brings to a boil, add the groundnuts. Cook for a few minutes until it becomes homogeneous. Along the way, do a taste test. And I prefer a little bit more sweeter, so I'll include the rest of the palm sugar. Simmer over low heat until the peanuts are all soft and the consistency of the thickness that you want. This peanut sauce is most suitable as a dipping sauce for satay, and that's why it is also called satay sauce. I hope this video showed every step clearly. You can get the recipe and more information at tasteasianfood.com peanut sauce. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.